The Metaverse and Blockchain, shaping the future of virtual worlds. The Metaverse, a virtual universe where users can engage with immersive digital environments and each other in real time, represents a paradigm shift in how we perceive and participate in online spaces. It transcends the limitations of traditional 2D screens, offering a three-dimensional, interconnected world that blurs the lines between the physical and digital realms. Metaverse architecture, exploring the technical foundations. Metaverse architecture stands as the cornerstone of the virtual landscape, delineating the technical foundations that support the intricate and immersive virtual worlds within this emerging digital realm. Blockchain's role in the technical foundations of the metaverse is multifaceted. User identity and the metaverse. Decentralized identity management. In the evolving landscape of the metaverse, the management of user identity stands as a pivotal challenge and opportunity, giving rise to the concept of decentralized identity management. Decentralized identity management leverages blockchain's inherent characteristics of transparency, immutability, and decentralization to address the vulnerabilities associated with centralized identity systems. Privacy and virtual spaces. Blockchain's contribution to data security. In the rapidly evolving landscape of virtual spaces, the question of privacy has become a paramount concern, prompting a critical examination of how blockchain technology contributes to data security within these digital realms. Blockchain's contribution to data security is its ability to establish a transparent and tamper-proof ledger. Legal and ethical considerations. Navigating the metaverse landscape. Legal considerations involves the establishment of a regulatory framework that governs activities within the metaverse. Ethical considerations loom large as users and developers navigate the metaverse. Metaverse gaming. Blockchain-powered virtual realms. Metaverse gaming. Blockchain-powered virtual realms represents a pivotal exploration of the profound impact blockchain technology has on the gaming landscape within the metaverse. The integration of blockchain in metaverse gaming addresses long-standing challenges related to interoperability and cross-platform experiences. Metaverse and augmented reality, AR, blurring virtual and physical realities. Augmented reality enhances the physical world by overlaying digital elements onto the real environment, creating an immersive and interactive experience. The synergy between the metaverse and AR is particularly evident in the way users engage with the virtual environment. Emerging metaverse projects, blockchain innovations and startups. Blockchain, with its decentralized and transparent architecture, emerges as a catalyst for a wave of entrepreneurial endeavors within the metaverse. Startups focusing on NFT marketplaces are carving out spaces within the metaverse, providing platforms for creators to tokenize and monetize their digital content. Conclusion. In conclusion, the metaverse and blockchain, shaping the future of virtual worlds, encapsulates a profound journey into the transformative forces that are reshaping our digital existence. The exploration of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized virtual economies signifies a departure from traditional models, offering users unprecedented control and ownership over their digital assets. Blockchain's role in ensuring security, transparency, and interoperability serves as a cornerstone, fostering trust and enabling a seamless flow of assets across diverse virtual platforms.